Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you that how you can add trust badges to your Shopify store. What you have to do is just follow me till the end and let's get started with the video without wasting any time. First you have to click the search bar or go to this apps option, just do anything, and then what you have to do is search over here trust badges and then just press enter, and then you are going to be loaded with this interface on the other page, and then you can just come over here and choose any one of these that you want to download to your Shopify. This one's free. I'm going to go for this one. You can always choose the free one. You can just read beneath it. Just click install over here and you're good to go. So I'm going to click install. Once the page is loaded, I'm going to click install, and then you're going to get this option of install over here again, and what you have to do is just go with the flow. So here you can see that it gives me this prompt of install app. I'm going to click install app. So once I have installed this app, here you can see that now it's loading the app for me. It's over here. I'm just going to click the app, and then you can see I have this ultimate trust badge is disabled. I'm just going to click enabled, and I'm going to enable it once it's just loaded. So here you can see that you have these 1 2 3 steps for setting it up. You have to follow these steps to set up your trust badges in your store. First you have to install ultimate trust badges. I have installed that already. I'm going to now enable the trust badges. Now what you have to do is click enable trust badges in your store, and now you have to test it in your store. Just click test it in your store and then you're good to go. Over here you have to just see it brings me to my store, and here I'm going to just edit home page, and I'm just going to click edit home page over here. And now over here you can see that it brings me to this page of mine where I can add a section if I want to. I'm just going to click apps, and here you can see that there's this trust badge option. So here I'm just going to click add section and then go to this apps option, and here you can see that there's this trust badge widget. I'm going to click this trust badge widget. So here you can see that once I click that trust badge widget, it comes over here and it has been added. Now if I want to edit it, I can always edit it, and this is how you can add trust badge widget to your Shopify store. I hope you liked the process, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.